Did you know that homeowners insurance doesn't cover flood insurance? Flooding can happen from anything from a tropical storm or a hurricane to melting snow or poor drainage. As a matter of fact, FEMA says that 25% of all flooding claims come from areas that have little or no risk. Here with me to talk about flood insurance, Howard Thorp of Thorp and Trainer. How are you, sir?
Good, Shawn. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here. This could be your home, is basically what we're trying to say here. Tell me some of the things about flood insurance. It's not covered in homeowners insurance, correct?
No, that's one of the common misconceptions. There's no homeowners policy that I've ever seen that actually covers flood insurance. So it's something that people definitely need to be aware of.
Not a lot of people own houses near a body of water like this. Why should they get flood insurance?
Right. Well, the people that do live near bodies of water, they're required by their mortgage lender to actually purchase flood insurance. But the folks that are also in danger of flood live in what are called low to moderate areas of flooding. And floods can happen as a result of a backed up storm drain line or just a bad inundation with rainwater, which we see in the fall and in the spring frequently.
What's the average cost of a flood owners or a flood insurance policy?
Well, it really depends. If the house is located in a hazard area, it really varies based on the construction of the house. If it's up on piers, if it has a full basement, that sort of thing. In a lower hazard area, not near a body of water, you could get a flood insurance policy for as little as $150 to $200. So very affordable.
How long does it take for a policy to go into effect?
There is a 30-day waiting period that the federal government has instituted. And I guess this is to dissuade people from, when they see a hurricane coming up the coast, for instance, right, going out and purchasing flood insurance. So there's a 30-day wait, unless it's a case where there's a closing, a bank involved, and you need to purchase the flood insurance, then there is no waiting period. But for most folks, if you wanted to go purchase a flood policy, it's a 30-day waiting period.
Definitely important to get. I've had it in my own house where we've had flooding in the basement before. Never expected it.
Right, exactly. And, the thing with basements, too, from a flood insurance standpoint, a lot of people have heard that, well, contents aren't covered in a basement, but your basement may not be a basement. What I mean by that is, for purposes of flood insurance, a basement is below grade on all four sides. So if you have a walkout basement, it's really considered a first living level. So therefore, contents in a walkout basement would be covered under a flood policy.
Thank you so much for joining us and letting us know about flood insurance.
Very welcome.
Hey, listen, if you want more information about insurance for your home, you can visit our website. It's foxprovidence.com.